Want skin like this? Do you want flawless, glowing skin like Woni's? It's possible with commitment, patience, and consistency. Struggling with acne or pores? I've got some tips to help you out. Woni's clear skin comes from loving and caring for her skin. With dedication and the right routine, you can achieve great skin too. Take notes of anything useful or support me by sharing video to your friends. What is the difference between clear skin and glass skin? They both mean having perfect, glowing skin, but glass skin looks more natural and delicate. Skincare isn't just about products. Your diet, habits, and lifestyle matter too. Small changes can make a big difference. Knowing your skin type helps too. You don't need to spend a lot on skincare. Simple changes can work just as well. Like I said before, knowing your skin type really helps. Why? Well, you will be able to understand your skin's needs and products you should avoid better. What are the primary skin types? 1. Normal skin. 2. Dry skin. 3. Oily skin. 4. Combination skin. 5. Sensitive skin. How do you identify your skin type? Skincare. Sometimes, less is more. You should choose quality over quantity. You don't need many products to have good skin. In fact, using too many products can be bad for your skin. You only need a few products that work well for you. Believe me, you don't need an entire Sephora at home. You can get by with just a couple of products. Other people might use 20 or more products, but that's not necessary. You only need around 5 products that suit your skin type. Don't worry if you're new to skincare. We can figure it out together. I will provide you with a simple skincare routine. I will also give you recommendations from my own experience and from other girls. Additionally, I will share some skincare tips and rules. If I think of anything else, I will let you know. Simple routine. Welcome to a simple skincare routine that helps improve your skin without wasting time or money. Step 1. Cleansing. You can double cleanse for better results. Start with an oil cleanser to remove makeup and sunscreen. Then, use a foam cleanser to wash away impurities. Be gentle and don't scrub harshly. Think of it like giving your skin a soft hug. Take your time. Step 2. Toner. Toners help prepare your skin for better absorption. There are 2 types of toners. Toner pads are quick and convenient. They help lightly exfoliate. Bottled toner lets you control how much you apply. You can use your hands for hydration or a cotton pad for extra cleansing. Choose what fits you best. I've got to admit, I don't use a toner much. But these are popular among skincare enthusiasts, and they're highly recommended. Step 3. Serum. Add a glow boost with a serum for extra hydration and brightness. Step 4. Moisturizer. Lock in moisture with a lightweight day cream and a richer night cream. Step 5. Sunscreen. Protect your skin with a lightweight SPF to keep it clear and radiant. Here, I recommend some popular and effective products, and feel free to use your favorite products too. Foam cleanser. Toner. Serum. Keep in mind, apply just enough product. Too little wouldn't be effective, but too much won't make it work faster either. Oily skin still needs moisturizer. Hydration helps maintain balance and keeps our skin happy. Even oily skin needs moisture to prevent overproduction of oil. Be gentle with your skin. Rubbing our skin harshly can irritate it, so treat it like a soft and delicate cloud. Sunscreen is a daily must. Even on cloudy, winter days, SPF is needed to protect our skin from harmful UV rays. Give products time to work. Skincare is a journey, not a race, so keep in mind that consistency is key. Not everything works for everyone. That viral product may have worked for others but might disappoint you because our skin is different. It's best to read the labels, read reviews. Beauty sleep is real. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so rest and have a sweet dream. Face mask. What is it? A skincare treatment that delivers powerful ingredients to our skin. It helps target specific skin concerns like hydration, acne, or brightening. It comes in different forms and is meant to be left on the skin for a certain period. Types of masks. Sheet mask, hydrogel mask, and freeze-dried collagen mask, gel mask. Peel-off mask, sleeping mask, clay mask. How often? It depends on the type of mask you're using, so I'll make a more detailed version in the next clips. Although this is an optional step, incorporating a face mask into your routine will speed up results and make your skin glow like a star. Yeah, girly, you can do it. Freeze-dried collagen mask. A collagen-packed sheet that works when wet. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. Apply for 15 to 20 minutes and pat in the serum. Don't leave it on too long or use on irritated skin. Many people love it for a quick glow. Hydrogel Mask. A hydrating mask that sticks to your face. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for 15 to 20 minutes. Pat in the extra serum. Avoid if you have sensitive skin. It's popular for its hydrating effects and gives bouncy, glass skin. Gel Mask. A liquid that turns into a soothing face mask. Use it once a week for 10 to 20 minutes. Don't use on sensitive or acne-prone skin if it has strong ingredients. It's great for a plump and dewy look. On a budget? Don't worry, let's make our own face masks that work like magic and gives that glow. Remember, this journey requires consistency, patience and dedication. Cucumber Slice Mask. It helps hydrate, soothe irritation, reduce puffiness and refresh our skin. Plus, this is incredibly easy since all you have to do is thinly slice a chilled cucumber and place the pieces on your face for 10 to 15 minutes after removing. Gently massage your face and rinse with cool water. Korean Rice Mask. This is going viral because it's a natural mask for glowing, soft skin. It brightens, hydrates, and exfoliates gently. Wash and soak 1½ cup rice for 30 minutes, or boil until 70 to 80% cooked, then blend into a paste. Apply for 15 minutes, rinse and moisturize to leftovers. Store in the fridge for 3 days. Hydration. Drink more water. Why is it so important? I know I've said this many times before. Water is very important. It's like magic. It helps you have a healthy body and clear skin. Water removes toxins, keeps your skin looking full, and stops dryness or too much oil. How to drink more water. Use a cute water bottle and add stickers if you want to. Set reminders on apps, use sticky notes, or ask friends to remind you. Add fruits you like to your water for a refreshing drink. These fruits help keep you hydrated, remove toxins, and make your skin look fresh and glowing. Lemon, strawberry, cucumber, watermelon, orange. Ice your face. Dip in ice water. Fill a bowl with ice water and dunk your face in for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times to tighten pores and reduce puffiness. It's a game changer for a fresh look. Ice cube and cloth. Wrap an ice cube in a cloth and glide it over your face in upward motions. Focus on puffy areas like under eyes and jawline for a smooth glow. Face roller. Dip an ice roller in ice water and roll it over your skin in outward motions. It's a lazy girl hack for depuffing and tightening pores. A frosty roll every morning leaves you glowing. Avoid. 1. Sugary food and drinks. Excess sugar causes acne. Choose honey or fresh fruit. 2. Dairy products. Dairy can cause breakouts. Try almond or oat milk. 3. Fried and processed food. These foods clog pores and cause inflammation. Opt for baked or air-fried options. 4. Caffeine and energy drinks. They dehydrate your skin and cause breakouts. Drink herbal tea or lemon water. 5. White bread and processed carbs. They cause insulin spikes and breakouts. Eat whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. 6. Alcohol. Alcohol dehydrates skin and causes dullness. Drink coconut water or herbal teas. Want this? I'm sure you do, so nourish your skin with water-rich foods, healthy fats and antioxidant-rich fruits and veggies. Glow from the inside out. Eat more. Strawberries. Vitamin C and salicylic acid brighten skin and fight acne. Blueberries. Antioxidants protect against aging and damage. Watermelon. Hydrating and helps protect against UV damage. Oranges. High in vitamin C for collagen and even skin tone. Papaya. Natural enzymes exfoliate and brighten skin. Spinach. Vitamins A, C, and E keep skin clear and hydrated. Sweet potatoes. Vitamin A for skin repair. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios contain vitamin E and omega-3s to nourish skin. Fatty fish, salmon, omega-3s reduce inflammation and keep skin hydrated. Avocado. Rich in vitamin E and healthy fats for elasticity. Coconut water. Hydrates skin while providing electrolytes for balance. Green tea. Fights acne, reduces redness and soothes skin. Cucumber. Super hydrating and reduces puffiness. Bell peppers. Packed with vitamin C, which boosts collagen and fades dark spots. Carrots. High in beta-carotene, converts to vitamin A, for smooth, blemish-free skin. Pumpkin. Full of zinc and enzymes that help clear acne. Pumpkin seeds. Help with oil control and reduce acne thanks to zinc. Mushrooms. Protects skin from aging and calms acne. Yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, balance gut health, reducing acne. Spinach hydrates skin, fights acne and boosts collagen. Kale packed with antioxidants to prevent wrinkles and brighten skin. Broccoli protects against UV damage and helps clear acne. Lettuce keeps skin fresh, reduces inflammation and strengthens hair plus nails. Celery hydrates, reduces oil and flushes out toxins. Dark chocolate, 70% plus cacao, high in flavonoids that boost circulation and improve skin texture. Banana moisturizes and softens skin. Grapes full of antioxidants to prevent aging. Apples keep skin firm and smooth. Turmeric fights acne and evens skin tone. Hydrating food. Water-rich fruits and vegetables help maintain hydration. Healthy fats. Food high in omega-3s reduce inflammation and boost skin health. Protein. Lean protein sources help with tissue repair and collagen production. Antioxidant-rich food. Fight skin aging and breakouts by reducing oxidative stress. Less sugary food. Triggers breakouts and inflammation. Processed and greasy food. Dairy products can mess with hormones and cause acne. Excess alcohol or caffeine. Remember, don't cut all those treats out off your life completely. It's about balance and reduction. Start off small and slow by reducing your sugar intake little by little. If you want a challenge, try the no sugar challenge and wait for its magic. Hey girls, that's it. Consistency is key, be patient, and keep going. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you have doubts. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.